Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove your profile photo in Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your device. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This will take you to your profile and settings area where you can manage various aspects of your Viber account. Once you're in the More section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a pencil icon there, which is the edit button for your profile. Tap on this pencil icon to access your profile editing options. This is where you can modify your display name, status, and most importantly for what we're doing today, your profile picture. Now that you're in the profile editing screen, you can see your current profile picture displayed prominently. This is the photo that appears to all your Viber contacts when they view your profile or see messages from you. Go ahead and tap directly on your profile picture. This action will open up additional options specifically for managing your photo. After tapping on your profile picture, a menu will appear with different options for what you can do with your photo. Look for the option that says Remove Photo and tap on it. This tells Viber that you want to delete your current profile picture rather than replace it with a new one. At this point, Viber wants to make sure you're certain about removing your photo, so a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is a safety feature to prevent accidental deletions. The message will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove your profile photo. Simply tap Remove Photo once more to confirm your decision. And that's it. Your profile photo has now been successfully removed from your Viber account. Your contacts will now see the default Viber avatar instead of your custom photo. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.